Hello everyone, welcome back to CarOG 765. Today, we're taking a journey back to the golden era of American trucking with the legendary 1979 GMC Brigadier. If you love classic trucks, heavy-duty machines, and automotive history, this is a vehicle you won't want to miss. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to CarOG 765 and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. The 1979 GMC Brigadier was one of the most recognizable heavy-duty trucks on American roads. Built by GMC, a division of General Motors, the Brigadier was designed to handle the toughest jobs imaginable. Whether it was hauling freight across states, working on construction sites, or serving as a dump truck, the Brigadier earned a reputation for strength, durability, and reliability. At first glance, the GMC Brigadier had a bold and commanding appearance. Its large square front grille, wide stance, and rugged body design made it look powerful even when standing still. During the late 1970s, trucking companies needed vehicles that could work long hours under demanding conditions, and the Brigadier was built exactly for that purpose. One of the most impressive aspects of the 1979 GMC Brigadier was its versatility. It was available in several configurations, allowing owners to customize the truck for different industries. Some models were used as highway tractors for pulling large trailers, while others served as dump trucks, cement mixers, or specialized work vehicles. This flexibility made the Brigadier popular among businesses across America. Under the hood, buyers could choose from a range of powerful engines. Many Brigadier trucks were equipped with reliable diesel engines from manufacturers such as Detroit Diesel and Cummins. These engines were known for producing strong torque, which is essential for moving heavy loads. The combination of power and durability allowed the Brigadier to perform difficult tasks day after day. The driving experience of the 1979 GMC Brigadier was very different from modern trucks. Drivers sat high above the road, giving them excellent visibility. The cabin was functional rather than luxurious, focusing on durability and practicality. Controls were simple, and the truck was designed to be easy to maintain. In an era before advanced electronics, mechanics could often repair many issues using basic tools. What truly made the Brigadier stand out was its reputation for toughness. Many of these trucks worked in extreme conditions, from hot deserts to snowy mountain roads. Owners appreciated the truck's ability to keep operating even after years of hard use. This durability helped establish the GMC Brigadier as a trusted name in the trucking industry. The late 1970s were a fascinating period for the American trucking industry. Fuel prices, changing regulations, and growing transportation demands pushed manufacturers to develop stronger and more efficient vehicles. The GMC Brigadier arrived at the perfect time, offering a dependable solution for businesses that needed a truck capable of handling demanding workloads. Today, the 1979 GMC Brigadier has become a favorite among collectors and restoration enthusiasts. Finding a well-preserved example is becoming increasingly difficult, which has made surviving trucks more valuable. Many owners spend years restoring these machines, bringing them back to their original condition and showcasing them at truck shows and automotive events. One reason collectors admire the Brigadier is its classic design. Unlike many modern trucks that rely heavily on aerodynamic styling, the Brigadier features a traditional boxy appearance that represents the golden age of trucking. Its massive grille, sturdy frame, and unmistakable profile make it instantly recognizable. Restoring a GMC Brigadier can be a challenging but rewarding project. Parts may be difficult to find, and some components require custom fabrication. However, dedicated enthusiasts believe the effort is worthwhile because the finished truck becomes a rolling piece of American history. Another interesting fact is that many Brigadier trucks remain operational today. Some are still used on farms, construction sites, and private properties. Their continued service decades after production demonstrates the remarkable engineering that went into these vehicles. When compared to modern heavy-duty trucks, the 1979 GMC Brigadier may seem simple. It lacks advanced safety systems, touchscreen displays, and electronic driver aids. Yet many trucking enthusiasts appreciate this simplicity because it reflects a time when durability and mechanical reliability were the primary goals. The GMC Brigadier also played an important role in supporting American industries. From transporting goods to assisting construction projects, these trucks helped move the economy forward. Thousands of drivers depended on them every day, making them an essential part of transportation history. As the years pass, vehicles like the 1979 GMC Brigadier become increasingly significant. They remind us of an era when trucks were built to endure harsh conditions and perform demanding jobs without complaint. Their legacy continues through the enthusiasts who preserve and celebrate them. So, what do you think about the legendary 1979 GMC Brigadier? Would you like to own one of these classic American workhorses, or have you ever seen one on the road? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching Car AUG 765. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more classic truck and automotive stories. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye and drive safe.